Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make jewelry soup in Genshin Impact. First, you need to acquire the recipe. You can obtain the jewelry soup recipe by completing the Custodian of the Clouds quest, which is part of the main storyline in Liu. If you need it sooner, you can also purchase the soup from Harris at the Dragonspine Adventurer Camp. Next, gather the necessary ingredients for your jewelry soup. You will need 2 snapdragon flowers, which grow near rivers and beaches across Liu and Mondstadt. Also, collect 2 units of tofu. You can easily purchase this from various stores in Liu. Finally, secure 1 lotus head, often found in the stepped pools of water around Luhua Pool. Once you have all your ingredients, head to any cooking pot in Teyvat. Select the jewelry soup recipe from your list and begin cooking. Successfully preparing this dish will increase all party members' defense for 300 seconds. The quality of your cooking determines the exact defense bonus, which can range from 88 to 126 points. Jewelry soup is incredibly beneficial, increasing all party members' defense by 88 to 126 points for 5 minutes. This makes it perfect for challenging encounters. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, as well as other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.